2, 3. Shalom from Jerusalem. This is Uriel, LCP, Independent News, Jerusalem, Israel. Sir, what do you think about the terror attack that occurred in Bulgaria, Burgas, this past couple of days?
Well, I think that Israel should retaliate with as much as force as necessary and get the people responsible for this thing, get them to due process, whatever, kill them. I don't know. We should really react to that. We can't let those things go unpunished.
Now, you know that the security experts are saying that the security within the airport in Burgas is very lax. This terrorist just walked around with the backpack on his back, and no one even approached him to check him.
Well, we can't expect every country to be like Israel security-wise. Every country with its the alerts and whatever. If there was an alert and they didn't notice it, well, they're to blame. But if not, I don't blame Bulgaria or whatever, because they can't have the manpower and everything to watch over every Israeli that goes by there.
The news coming out of Bulgaria is that there's a second suspect at large. Do you think that the Israeli security should go after him?
I think the Bulgarian security should go after him and get him to Israel and to answer some questions. Give him to the Shabak. They'll know what to do with him and how to get the answers out of him. And then we'll know who really sent him.
This is Uriel, LCP, Independent News, Jerusalem, Israel. Shalom.
Thank you.